Lesson, we're looking at two-step equations. So do you remember how previously we saw one-step equation, just one thing happening? This time two different things are happening. So to give you an example, we've got Lewis here. He's daydreaming about some numbers. He thinks of a number, multiplies it by 2, and then adds on 4. His total is 14. What was his starting number? Okay, so lots of different ways to do this. One way, we've seen this before, are inverse operations or function machine. We've written it as an equation as well, so two different ways to think about it. So like Lewis was saying, he thinks of a number, times it by 2, adds on 4 and gets 14. To find out what he started with, we do the opposite operation in the opposite order. So we start with 14, we take away 4 this time, and then we divide by 2. So we do the opposite each time in the opposite order. Okay, so 14 take away 4 gives us 10. If we divide that by 2, we get 5. So we know the starting number must be 5. Okay. Another way that we've seen this already is thinking about those balancing scales. And if we look on here, both sides of our scales balance. If we look here as well, we've got the equation of the daydream Lewis is having. So 2 lots of the number we thought of, added on 4 gives us 14. So 2 lots of his number, there's the 4 and there's the 14. So like we did before, we're going to try and balance these scales.